This project is our Jackson Court treatment area for stormwater in the city. It treats about 12 acres of space that's mainly residential and some school property that's east of it. It's meant to remove total nitrogen and total phosphorus from any runoff that we collect. The project is located on Jackson Court in Satellite Beach, just down the street from Satellite High.
So this project is what's known as a treatment train, where we have several different ways of treating stormwater all tied in together. And we did another project on Jackson Street that also is doing stormwater treatment of some of the water before it reaches this project.
A stormwater treatment train is a treatment process that has multiple steps along the way. So essentially, as stormwater travels through a treatment train, it gets treated in a number of ways. So it removes nutrients not just at one point, but at multiple points along the project. So the north pond is going to be a wet retention pond, and what a wet retention pond is that it holds some water even without rain. So it'll fill up during rain events or during a big storm, and then as it drains out and percolates and is treated, it'll go ahead and reduce down to a certain level. During big events, it'll overflow into a stormwater structure so that it can go out into the lagoon without flooding the area. And on the south part of it, we're going to have a more shallow pond that treats the residential area to the south of the site, lined with BAM, which is bioabsorptive activated media, which hosts microorganisms to eat some of those nutrients that we see entering the lagoon from stormwater. The south pond is going to be a dry retention pond. At the end of an event, it'll percolate through and be treated and be just kind of a grassy green space. The south pond will have what's known as a berm or a land weir, where if it overflows, it'll be able to flow into the north pond, which has a much larger capacity for storing water.
The site for this project is very near the Indian River Lagoon. We have a canal that is just on the other side of the outflow for the stormwater pipe. It's treating water from the neighborhoods around here and will keep that from flowing directly into the Indian River Lagoon. The other thing that's good about this project is that they'll be adding in some sidewalks around, so it'll be a multi-use area. Besides being able to treat stormwater, it'll be a small passive park for the residents to be able to use.
So in partnering with Brevard County for this project, it really is helping us to attain the nutrient reductions that we need to for our community and for some of our reporting and our state issues, but to also show that we're all guided towards maintaining the lagoon and improving the health of the lagoon.
So stormwater contributes one of the largest new nutrient sources to the Indian River Lagoon. So it's very important that we are doing projects like this to help reduce that. But there are many sources of nutrients to the lagoon that we are also working to reduce, like septic systems, muck, and upgrading our sewer systems. Combining all of these projects together, we'll be removing about 1.3 million pounds of nitrogen from the lagoon each year and over 105,000 pounds of phosphorus to help improve our Indian River Lagoon system.